The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is the first Sunday of Lent. And the first Sunday of Lent is all about the temptation of Jesus. How the devil tempted him. First, to let the stone turn into bread. Second, to worship the devil. And third, to allow himself to be thrown from the parapet of the temple so that the angel will save him. My dear sisters and brothers, in all these temptations, the devil didn't prevail. The answer of Jesus Christ in the first temptation was, not on bread alone that man shall live, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. On the second temptation, Jesus said, "Thou shalt not put your God to the test." And third, you shall only worship God. What is crucial in the temptation of the gospel is, it was not directly leading to sin. It was very subtle that if one will not be careful about it, he wouldn't even think that he was being led to sin. That's how intelligent the devil is. But God is more intelligent than the devil. My dear sisters and brothers, today we are being reminded that evil is real. Temptations are real. And more often, temptations are very deceiving. They are very subtle. They will always present themselves as true, good, and beautiful. But behind those veils are evil, fraud. It's all about worldliness. It's all about pride. It is all about the temptations to turn our back from God. So today, we are all accepting the fact that we have failed our test many times. But it is not yet too late to bounce back. And once we are being tempted, we have to realize that we have God and there is the grace of God present in us. And do not be ashamed if you are being tempted, nor be afraid of being tempted. It only means that the devil is working double time to let you be away from God. Temptations are meant to separate us from God. So if you are being tempted, it means you are still with God. It means the devil is working so hard to let you be separated from God. But do not be sad, because God is there to rescue us. We just have to recognize the need for the grace of God. And surely, we can definitely overcome temptations. And the devil has no match for our great God who will be there to save us and rescue us. God bless you.